Right. There's nothing better than cooking bone broth on a day like this. This is Ireland, south of Dublin, and it's rainy. Well, it stopped raining, but it was thunder and lightning. Big southwesterly came in, so. But, cooking chicken and having a beer. Brewed in Kildare, sold in Lidl. It's actually nice. The label says it all. Crafty Brew Company. You can't find them online. They're a subsidiary. Winner of a beer award. I can agree with that. It's a moustache. It's cool. 4.5 for the alcoholics. That's what they always think about. Fair taste. So we can see it's made by Lidl. No. I think I know who the company is. So, that's it. Cool. So that's my brew. And my brew. Nearly lost the spoon.